how to fix SteamVR error code 450. So if you want to fix your SteamVR error code 450, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings on your Windows, search for settings and click on it. And now here on the left side, you'll have network and internet. You need to click on the network and internet section, and then you need to go with the Wi-Fi. So go with the arrow which is on the right side, and here you will have your Wi-Fi, right? So you need to go with the Wi-Fi that you've selected and go with properties. You need to click on the Wi-Fi that you are using. Now what you want to do is make sure that the network profile type is set to private. This is crucial because a private network gives your PC more leeway in terms of what it can communicate within your trusted home network. If it's set to public, then you may encounter restrictions that hinder your SteamVR's connectivity. Once your network settings are all set appropriately, it's time to turn our attention to Steam. Now you need to go ahead to your Steam, open up your Steam application on your PC and navigate to the library tab, which will be in the top left. And within your library tab, you'll find SteamVR. Locate it in your list of games and applications. Once you find the SteamVR, you need to right click on it to bring up the menu of properties. So just simply go with right click and then go with properties. You need to select the properties. In the properties window, you'll see a tab labeled betas. You need to click on the betas tab to explore the betas option available for SteamVR. In the beta section, you want to just select the SteamVR beta update. This is a common solution for many users. You need to go with the right side, go with the drop down, and then select the SteamVR beta update. It often contains fixes for known issues, possibly resolving the error code you've encountered. Now, the final step is to ensure that your firewall or any VPN that you might be using aren't interfering with your connection. Temporarily disable these and see if that resolves your issue. Your firewall or VPN might be blocking certain connections or causing disruptions, and disabling them can often clear these issues right up. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.